We often imagine being suspended in a lonely, dark void when we hear the word nothingness. When you have undisturbed sleep, then you experience nothingness yourself. All you remember is going to sleep and waking up. In between, there is nothingness, no stress, no desires, no pain, just a state of peace. That is why nothingness is better than life, and there is nothing to be afraid of it. Do not confuse nothingness with loneliness, because if something ceases to exist, it's nothing. It is not suspended in void alone with thoughts. Fear of nothingness is what makes us fear non existence, death, and extinction. Overcoming this is the first step to thinking clearly.